Hi, welcome to my first full in English vlog, and I'm really nervous. I'm going to an event tonight. I'm going to the L'Oreal Beauty Circus, the Schorre, the same place as Tomorrowland, and it's in the beautiful Boxtalino Circus, and I'm so excited. Let's go inside. I'm just going to take the golf cart back to my car, and it was an amazing night. I had so much fun, but it's raining, so I'm gonna say goodbye and see you next time. This was my makeup look. I used the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette, some purple tones in my crease, and MAC lipstick. I did this half up, half down ponytail. It doesn't look as good as as it was, but... And my nails are Essie. It's a couple of days later and I wanted to show you the goodie bag. It says Winter Beauty Circus by L'Oreal, Maybelline, Garnier and Essie. And I must say, before I open it up, I had so much fun. It was amazing seeing other creators. It literally was the most amazing event I ever been to. Let's open it up. The first things inside of the goodie bag are the L'Oreal Revitalift Filler and the Revitalift Laser, and I think these products are not perfect for my skin because I'm 21 years old. I think I don't really need it right now, but maybe my mom will. So the next two products in the goodie bag are the Garnier Ultra Doux shampoo and the conditioner with ginger and honey. Oh my god, I want to know how that smells. Ooh, it really smells like ginger, and I don't hate it, but don't ask for me to eat ginger, because nah. But I really like the shampoo of it. The next product in the goodie bag is the Elnett Hairspray, and let me show you. This is the one I always use. So do I love this product? I think that's a yes. The next one I'm very curious about is the Garnier Skinactive Micellar Rose Water. I've heard so many good things about rose water. They put it in everything the last couple of years, so I'm excited to try it out. The next item I'm really looking forward to is this L'Oreal Face and Body Luminizer. The next two products are eye products, and this is the L'Oreal Eyeliner Matte Signature, and I thought when I opened it, it was a golden one. Yes, it's a golden eyeliner, which I love. This little product right here, Louis! So this is the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner from Maybelline. The next two items in the goodie bag are mascaras, and this is the Paradise mascara, which I've heard so many good things about. I really want to try it out. The mascara I've been using for the past couple of months is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, which is also really good. But they gave me the Maybelline New York, the falsies. So I'm very curious about this one too. But I think I'm going to start with the Paradise mascara because I've seen so many good reviews about it. So the next items are lip products, and I'm very curious about these ones. These are the Super Stay Ink crayons, and so this is how it looks like. It's a pencil, and I think I've heard that there was a sharpener at the back of it, so that's amazing. Next two products in the goodie bag are the Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks from Maybelline. Do I like them? Yes. You can eat everything with it, you can drink everything with it, they don't come off. So as I was saying, I really like these liquid lipsticks, but they are so hard to get off your lips. But that's not a bad thing. Okay. The last products in the goodie bag are the nail polishes from Essie, which I really love. I'm wearing Essie nail polish right now. My favorites are these glittery ones, but I also love a good pink color, which fits my lips perfectly. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's down below. And see you next time. Bye bye.